How to watch your Instagram watch history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, in this particular interface, here you will see the option for your activity under the How You Use Instagram tab. So tap on the Your Activity option you see there and then go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for Watch History. So tap on the Watch History option you see there and you will be able to view all your watch history. You can also tap on the newest to oldest drop down and select if you want to see watch history of oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Similarly, you can tap on the all dates drop down and so you can select your date range, your if you want the date from your past month or past week. Additionally, you can tap on the All Authors drop down you see there and select a particular author. So this was about how you can watch your Instagram watch history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.